Hi everyone, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I will show you how to change anti-flicker settings on 70mai M300 dashcam. So as you see, I already have the dashcam and my phone. You need to have a phone with the 70mai application installed on it, and a dashcam that's plugged into with a cable. And then once you have the application, just click on it. Then it will guide you to set up with your dashcam connected. And so once you connect, just go into the top right of your screen. There's the three dots. Just click on it. Then go until you see the anti-flicker one setting, and then you can increase it by 5 or 10 Hz. Just click on it and it will automatically apply. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like and subscribe, and see you guys next time.